Monica, is Ty a nice guy?
He is amazing.
What? Monica?
Death note like Ty Money.
What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been like 3 months since the last time I've posted. We can all agree that, you know, that's a pretty long time. But I do plan to get back on here. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna be perfect in the beginning, but I'm gonna try and get back on here, do as many videos as I can. I do plan to do a lot more basketball videos. You know, I know a lot of people came on here to watch me do my vlogs, which I will continue to do my vlogs. It's just, it's not all the time I'm gonna have something exciting, you know, to vlog about every day. So that's why I want to mix it up and start doing some more basketball videos, so at least I can try and get consistency going. But right now, I'm gonna, you know, try and head down to the park. Now it's like around 4 something. Alright, you're good, bro. That was my fault.
Okay, we gotta do all that shit again. My bad, bro. Alright. What's good, YouTube? I'm here with Brandon, and he's a freshman in high school. He plays on the JV team. He plays on the JV team, starting. So we're finna get a quick game going. First one to 21, 2s and 3s.
Yeah.
Ty Money. Ty Money.
Oh, that was nice.
Ty Money. Ty Money. Toy money.
KJ finna kill this one.
Toy money. Toy money. Toy money.
Damn, the freshman got me, bro. Come here, bro. What you got to say? Tell me
Good
something.
game. I'm tired. Ooh, my shots wasn't dropping like that, but luckily I still won.
Yeah, I didn't think this man was gonna come back, man. I thought it was just gonna be a straight whooping, but he came back on me, so good shit, bro. GG, bro. All right.
What can I say? Mamba out.